Speak English Fluently is an Android application designed to help users enhance their English speaking skills. This app is particularly valuable for individuals looking to improve their fluency, pronunciation, and confidence in communicating in English, whether for personal, academic, or professional purposes. Key features typically include interactive lessons and exercises that focus on various aspects of speaking, such as vocabulary building, grammar usage, and conversation practice. The app may offer listening exercises, speaking prompts, and even voice recognition technology to provide real-time feedback on pronunciation. Additionally, Speak English Fluently may include features for tracking progress, allowing users to monitor their improvement over time. Some versions of the app might also offer quizzes and conversational scenarios to help users engage in practical speaking situations. Overall, Speak English Fluently serves as an excellent tool for anyone aspiring to become more proficient in English speaking, providing resources and exercises tailored to boost communication skills in an accessible and enjoyable way.